Welcome to the delicious world of Greek cuisine, where the flavors are as rich and vibrant as its history. Today, we're focusing on one of Greece's most beloved dishes, Lamb Moussaka. Originating from the culinary traditions of the Eastern Mediterranean and the Middle East, moussaka has found a special place in Greek hearts, with each family boasting their own unique version. Greek moussaka's uniqueness lies in its rich layers of fried aubergines, spiced lamb mince, and creamy béchamel sauce, each contributing to a harmonious blend of textures and flavors emblematic of Mediterranean cuisine. Ingredients are listed below. Today we are diving in the heart of Greek cuisine with a classic dish rich in flavors and history. Moussaka. First, let's prepare our aubergines. Slice them into half-inch thick pieces, sprinkle some salt, and let them sweat for about 30 minutes. This process helps remove bitterness. Now, griddle these slices in olive oil until golden brown. Set them aside on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Next, we'll cook the lamb mince. Heat some olive oil in a pan, add finely chopped onion and crushed garlic, and sauté until they're soft. Add the minced lamb. Once the lamb is browned, pour in the white wine, add the chopped tomatoes, cinnamon stick, chopped oregano, salt, and pepper. Let it simmer until the sauce thickens. For the bechamel topping, melt butter in a saucepan, whisk in the flour until smooth, and gradually add milk. Stir continuously until the sauce thickens. Remove from heat, and stir in grated parmesan and beaten eggs. Allow to cool for a while. In a baking dish, layer the aubergines, then the meat sauce, and repeat. Finish with a generous layer of bechamel sauce. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 45 minutes until the top is golden and bubbly. Our moussaka is ready to be enjoyed. Serve this hearty dish with a side of fresh salad and some crusty bread. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. By trying your hand at this authentic moussaka recipe, it's a culinary adventure you won't want to miss. Explore a world of wellness and flavor by checking out the healthy recipes on the Nourish You site, your go-to destination for nutritious and delicious meal ideas.